Oops. Nope. It did separate. Today I want to do a review of 3M Premium glue from Loctite. And this is what I've been doing for putting together my frames, as you can see right over there. Putting together the bulkheads. So I want to do a strength test. Everyone says it works so great and it's stronger than the wood. And let's find out. So let's push that all the way in. Lock and load. Let's see if there's anything left in this. Okay, so I'm going to put some here. Because I've been having to glue the frames together. So we're going to go like this. Put some there. And I've been putting some on both sides. So let's do this right here. Take my little scraper. And I've been spreading it out good. Look at that. So I'm trying to get every piece of it. And we'll do it this way here too. And it oozes out pretty good. It's almost like it expands a little as it goes. So we'll take that, put that here. And so I'm going to take this and glue it just like this here. Okay, now what I've been doing is using these screws, which are self-tapping screws, meaning I don't have to pre-drill them. There we go. We get the juice. Okay, so we get this one that way. You know what I did? I screwed right into that. There we go. There. And we'll put another screw on the other side. Just for shucks and giggles, I'm going to put less on this one to see how it does with just what I had left instead of doing both sides. I'm curious if I really need that much. There we go. So I have my test, and we'll come back tomorrow to see how it did. See you then. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been about 24 hours, probably a little bit more, about 30 hours, a little later in the day. And I glued this yesterday. I was going to say if you remember, but in the video it was probably just 2 minutes ago. For me, it's yesterday. So anyways, I glued that yesterday, and we're going to see how strong it is. So let me go ahead and put the camera down here again so you can see what I'm doing. Now, I already took these two screws out that I put in yesterday, and I'm going to take these out right here because I don't want to see the strength of the screws. I want to see the strength of the glue. Okay, so all I have here is that glue that I put on yesterday, and I did it with a 2x4. So let's go ahead and see. First of all, I'm trying to know how to do this without hurting myself. Let's see if I could bend it this way. Okay, that's not coming off that way. Let's see. How can I do this? Okay, I'm right-handed, so I'm going to try it the other way here. You're probably not going to be able to see, but can you? Okay. All right, it did separate. The moment, what a workout, huh? The moment of truth. Are you ready? How did it do? So here's one side, and there's the other side. Look at that. So yes, we have a winner. The glue is stronger than the wood. As you can see, it's good. 1/8 of an inch of wood still on here because it must have seeped in a bit. And that's taking the screws out. Wow. I was hoping it would be like this. Let me try to get the other side off. And how are we going to do that? Can you even see it? It's not even in the camera, is it? Okay. Okay. It did come off. Now this one I had a lot lighter glue on it. Okay, the other one I showed you, this side here, actually I had put glue on both sides on this piece of wood and the other one. And this one was a lot thinner. I just put glue on one piece of wood. Okay, and wow, I would say it looks clean on both sides, but it really isn't. There it is. It took the wood right off. So even with one layer, it's just as strong. It's actually stronger than the wood. So, end result, the Loctite PL 3x Premium is stronger than wood. So with that, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.